Hi everyone, so I'm just back to show you these two journals that I've put together as a bundle. So it's a special offer bundle on the two Christmas in Pink journals. They are listed over on my coffee shop. You will find the link for that, the direct link below for these. Like I said, they're a bundle, so you'll get two, and I've got them wrapped up in just like a pouchy type clutch thing with a held together with some ribbon. So on the listing you will find the full flip through of these, where you can obviously see in detail what's in each journal. So that's my little offer for today. Like I said, I will put the link below if you want to check that out. And like I said, it's on my coffee shop. So thanks for watching. Bye.